Welcome back, learners. Today we are diving into an essential concept in DBMS, that is indexing. Just as an index in a book helps you quickly find the topics, indexing in a database allows for faster data retrieval. It's all about efficiency and speed in accessing records. Let's see what is indexing. Indexing is a technique for improving database performance by reducing the number of disk access necessary when a query is run. An index is a form of data structures. It's used to identify and access data and informations present in a database table. Let's see why indexing is matters. Speed up data retrieval operations, reduce the number of disk access required, and optimize query performance. Indexing is like a treasure map for your database. It guides you directly to the data you need without searching aimlessly. What are the types of indexing? Primary index, create on primary key columns, maintains sorted order. Secondary index, used for non-primary key attributes to speed up access. Clustered index, groups rows with similar data in the same storage block. Non-cluster index contains a shorted pointer to the data, not the data itself. There's more than one way to create an index, and each type serves a specific purpose in ensuring efficient data handling. Let's see the advantages and drawbacks. What are the advantages? It's reduced data access time, improves performance of select queries, enables efficient sorting of data. Think of indexing as an investment. It takes some initial effort but pays off with faster, more efficient data operations. What are the drawbacks? It's additional storage required for index files, slower performance during insert, update, delete operations due to index maintenance, complexity in managing multiple indexing. While indexing boosts read operations, it comes with its own set of challenges. Balancing its advantages and limitation is a key. When to use indexing? It's ideal for large data sets, useful for queries with frequent select operations. Not recommended for attributes with low cardinality or frequently updated data. Not every table needs indexing. Understanding when and where to use it is crucial for effective database management. Indexing speeds up data retrieval. Primary, secondary, clustered, and non clustered are the key types. Use indexing strategically for performance optimization. Indexing is a game changer in database management. Mastering its type and application is a must for any DBMS enthusiast. That's it for today's session on indexing. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more DBMS insights. In the next video, we will explore normalization, a powerful technique for structuring your DBMS. Until then, keep learning and stay curious.